Stop spraying chemicals on your scalp. Try this all-natural DIY dry shampoo instead. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. I used to practice cosmetology, and I'll be honest, most dry shampoos aren't scalp friendly. So today I'm showing you how to make a clean, all-natural alternative, the Revive and Rise Dry Shampoo. This is an all-natural dry shampoo that absorbs oil, adds volume, and refreshes your hair. Perfect for those in-between wash hair days. We'll start with 2 tablespoons of arrowroot powder or cornstarch. This is the base that absorbs oil and gives you fresh, clean hair. Next, 1 tablespoon of rose kaolin clay. This clay helps absorb excess oil and gives a smoother texture. Add 1 drop of bay essential oil. It stimulates the scalp and leaves a fresh herbal scent. Then 1 drop of whole wood essential oil for a grounding, calming scent that balances the bay oil. Now for the color. For brunettes, add a pinch of cocoa powder or brown iron oxide. For red hair, add red iron oxide or more rose kaolin clay. For black hair, add a pinch of activated charcoal or black oxide. I will be using the activated charcoal. Side note, mineral oxides are very potent, so start with a tiny pinch and add more as needed. Mix everything well and transfer it to a small jar or shaker. Pretty cool, right? And if you want to make this Revive and Rise dry shampoo yourself, it's super easy, especially with the Simply Earth recipe box. It comes with the key ingredients you need to whip up natural, non-toxic hair products at home. You deserve products that work with your body, not against it. So stop spraying chemicals on your scalp and start choosing ingredients you can actually trust. This DIY dry shampoo is such an easy switch. To use, lightly dust on roots with a makeup brush or your fingertips. Let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes, then brush thoroughly or shake out excess. Use this to refresh your hair between washes by absorbing oil and adding light volume. Want to try this yourself? Get the ingredients from the Simply Earth recipe box. Plus, when you subscribe, you get a free big bonus box to kickstart your DIY beauty journey. And if you want to take this even further, watch the videos on your screen right now. It's the perfect next step. See you in the next video.